Okay then, year 4. So we're going to continue looking at multiplying with multiples of 10. So I'm going to recap what we did yesterday, and then we're going to go on to some more challenging problems. So you can see the first question I'm asking you is, what is 40 multiplied by 300? Now, just because there's lots of zeros and the numbers are quite large, it doesn't matter. If we use the method that I'm going to show you now, you will consistently get the right answer. Okay? So, I've broken down 40 multiplied by 300. Step 1 here, 4 times 3. So I've basically got rid of all my zeros, haven't I? And I will say 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. I've now made, for the next part, this 4 has become 10 times bigger into the 40. So 3 is still the same, but because my 4 is 10 times larger, I need to make my answer 10 times larger, or 10 times greater. This time I've kept my 40 the same, and I've made my 3 10 times larger to get 30. So again, my answer becomes 10 times larger. So you should be able to see the pattern now. And then the last one is the actual question. My 40 stays the same because that's in the question, but my 30 becomes 300. So again, I've made it 10 times bigger. So I need to make my answer 10 times bigger. So my answer is 12,000. So if you follow this here, and each time we make one of our numbers 10 times bigger, and then maybe make it 10 times bigger again, but then stop when we match our original sum, we'll get the right answer. So these are the ones I want you to do. So remember, that's the method. And if you need to, go back and have another look at it again. But there's your problems. So again, I want you to pause the screen now, work them out, and then press play when you want to go through the answers, please. Okay, good. So let's go through these answers then. So A, the answer was 6,000. B, the answer was 8,000. C, 6,400. D, 30,000. E, 60,000. And F, 42,000. So hopefully you got those right. Now, one thing which people like to double check their answers maybe, just gives them a little bit of, what's the right word? They know they're on the right lines, should we say. Not necessarily always got the right answer, but if you look at each of the questions, in question A, say, there's 3 zeros. Look how many zeros there are in the answer. This, say we go for C. 2 zeros. 2 zeros. E, 4 zeros. 4 zeros. So it just gives us a little bit of peace of mind that whatever we're doing, chances are we're going to get the right answer. Right? It's just a little thing to be aware of. But well done. Hopefully you got all of those right. And I look forward to seeing you tomorrow when they're going to get even trickier.